Welcome to the next video tutorial. In this video tutorial, we will be learning about the importance of end tag. Right click anywhere on the blank space of Explorer window, create a new folder. I'm naming it as importance of end tag. I'm expanding this node. I'm creating a file inside this importance of end tag folder called why we should not forget the end tag. Sorry about the length of the name. For better naming purpose or to give the proper reasonable name, I have given this length. It is not recommended at all. So with the dot html extension, I'll just say importance dot html. That seems nice, right? Importance dot html. Let's say we have this HTML element. Inside this HTML element, we have the nested element, that is body element. Inside this body element, we have another two nested elements. First one is h1 element. Observe here, I'm not giving the end tag here, and same goes for the paragraph tag as well. I'm deleting the end tag. I'll just say this is the this is the heading, and this is the paragraph. Save it. So I'll open this page in a browser, in Chrome browser. So how we can do that? That is, you can just right click and you can select the option open with live server. We have installed this extension, so we are making use of this extension now. Otherwise, you can just click on this button here. Link is there. So this also you can do. I'm just clicking on this icon, go live. So here what we are getting here, this is the heading and this is the paragraph. Observe carefully that it is unusually different from the normal HTML with the closing tag included. See the paragraph, it is unusually it is with the same size and with the same weight, or with the bold with the bold font style it is displaying. So this is the problem we face if we skip the end tag. But in most of the browser, it is fine. Okay, in most of the browser it will accept, like we don't have to really end this tag with the ending tag. But we should not forget to close the tag, because it might be resulting in unexpected results or unexpected errors, like this example. So we are getting the same font style as the heading, even if it is the paragraph, right? So usually in the previous example, you can just say right click and open with the live server. This is previously what we have created, the HTML page. This is properly developed. Why? Because we have included the ending tag. We have ended this element with the ending tag. Okay, both of the tags we have ended with the um, a proper ending tag, or that appropriate corresponding ending tag with the forward slash. Right click and select open with live server. So you can find the difference now. So this is the correct development, or this is the a thing that is properly rendered in the browser. Heading, it is displaying whatever it meant to be, like h1, and the paragraph, it is looking it is displaying in the correct style, or whatever it meant to display. In that format only it is displaying, it is proper. But in this case, unusual, like we are not expecting this, right? It is a paragraph, it is not a heading, right? So that is the problem if I don't close the tag with the ending tag. In most of the browsers, it is not, it doesn't matter, it will display properly, but it is not at all recommended. It might be resulting in some of the errors or unexpected results, right? So that is the importance of closing a tag with the end tag. Thank you.